Hello everyone, this is Bake-A-Leg and Let's Dig It Homestead. I wanted to just show you before I get started of what I have going on thus far in my raised bed. So I have all this to plant. This is the raised bed that I got done. I think it's called the square foot gardening method. It has spinach in the second row, lettuce in the front. I have dinosaur kale, and I think La Ciata kale over there, radicchio lettuce, endive, Swiss chard, radicchio cabbage, and organic lettuce in this little area here. This row right here, I did some French breakfast radishes. That will be this whole row down here, which now leaves me this end of the raised bed to do my pole beans. Yeah, that's what we came up with. And then sugar snap peas will be, let me go over and show you, will be on this. I'm gonna plant that today. Sorry, it's super bright here, but I have that. And then, yeah, these two are gonna be for the climbing beans. So that's how I'm utilizing a small, I don't know if I worded it correctly, planting a lot in a smaller area. So that is what's going on with that bed. As you can also see, this bed is done. Everything was topped off the other day with some soil from out of my garden at my place where I still live. That was filled with worms. I brought over tomato plants, so this bed's gonna have tomato plants. That bed over there is gonna have tomato plants. And let's keep going. This bed here is gonna have all these pepper plants in here. That's also topped off with my own soil. And this bed here is going to be all pepper plants as well. This is the other one. I have some mammoth basil growing right there. I have a sunflower over in that corner, and this is going to be where all these tomato plants go. I think I counted, I have a total of 80 tomato plants and probably a little bit more than 80 on the pepper plants. Here's some things that I brought over. I don't know if you guys use this, but I do, by Jobs. And then I have my other Jobs. And this bag here is rabbit manure for my rabbits. We have some coffee grounds, and let me show you what's in the bag. I have, hold on, open the bag so you can see. Lots and lots of eggs. Why, you may ask? I will show you that on the next video. It's just basically what I do, but when I go to do my tomato plants, I will definitely bring you along so you can see. But this is everything that I grew in a small area. If you go back into the gardening series, I didn't have any expensive setup for my seed growing. I did lose quite a bit of the tomatoes, some of my favorites to boot, but it happens. So yeah, I grew all that. I grew all these pepper plants on that same grow shelf. I also have some herbs over here that I want to plant, parsley, dill, etc. These are the pepper plants, just giving you a quick garden update, tour, whatever you want to call it. Here's some more different types of lettuces, endives, a few marigolds that a lovely elderly couple gave me. And they found me some eggplants because my eggplants did not germinate this year. And then as far as this bed's concerned, which a couple of them went into shock, this bed here is cucumbers, some, let me think, let me see, cucumbers, butternut squash, regular zucchinis are all in here. I also planted 2 small sugar pumpkins right down there with those 2 spoons. And I'm not sure what's coming up right there. I don't know if you can see that. And right there could be a weed, might have to pull it out. But you can see a little of this yellowing in the cucumbers. So that's why I brought all, this doesn't have all of my soil from out of my in-ground garden. We were just exhausted by the time we were done lugging that over here, that this is the only bed where I just topped it off with a handful around each of the plants. Now, on to some other news. This is not my bed, but I am doing this for the gentleman that runs the community garden. He said I could have that one for free if I got all the weeds out of this one and went hog wild crazy and planting a bunch of flowers. So there is a sunflower. I'm gonna just get the rest of the weeds out, and this will be nothing but wildflowers, maybe some, I think it's called honeybee seeds that a viewer sent me. So yeah, this is going to be nothing but flowers in this entire bed to entice the bees. This is from my place. We have some zinnias that popped up I brought over, more strawberries, my organic mulch, some more organic mulch, and that is going to be going into some of the beds. So this is what we're looking at. If I step back, this is, so I didn't bring my tripod today, of course. So that is all the zucchini family and some small baby watermelons in that bed over there to the left. This will be all flowers. This will be all peppers. This one will be all peppers. The 2 in the front will be tomatoes. Hopefully I can make them all fit. And this is sort of like my square foot gardening little doohickey that I'm trying out. I'm going to do today some sugar snap peas on that, and some different types of pole beans that I got this year is going to go in that area. And the breakfast radishes are all right there. And I don't even know if you want to call this square foot gardening, but I put a bunch of different greens in here so that I can have some fresh lettuce before it gets too hot here in PA. Nothing else is open. We are still closed, but the community garden is open. Thank God. Thank the Lord above. And yeah, that one over there will be peppers as well. And I will put in some flowers in between in my bed, along with some herbs. So that is what is going on at the community garden today. I wanted to just turn on the camera to show you how much I got done with my own soil. Kind of decorated it up a little bit, put some solar lights in, some ladybugs, and flag. Over here as well, I did a spotlight and put in some cutesy little decorations, and that frog says tomato. Over here, solar light. This is one of those, I just said it, now I can't think. There is the tomato frog, another flower there. And if I need to take it out to plant a tomato, I will. With a little butterfly back there. And then I have this here. This is a pepper bed, same thing with the lights. And I have this for anything that I need to be trellised up. I actually have 2 of them, but I just stuck it in there for now until I figure out how I'm going to lay it all out. And some ladybugs. So it's looking cute. Took me like 3 trips today just to get all of this over here from my place. And I thought I would turn on the camera to doing an impromptu garden video and show you what I had going on. There's some herbs. So yeah, today is finally planting day. I did that the other day, but today's really important because it's all the peppers and the tomatoes. So yeah, just a quick update on what is going on with the beds. Where am I at? I wanted to show you all the plants that I grow inside my house. That's the peppers. These peppers here are a little bit smaller. And then I have all these. Another sunflower and they're growing. And then I have all these tomato plants here. And I think I counted 79 or 80 on the tomatoes. I do have more peppers this year because I did lose some tomatoes, but I'm pretty sure I counted them. And I have 80 tomato plants, a little bit more than that in the pepper plants, and more tomatoes over here. These are a little bit smaller, but some of these are like tomatoes, maybe some ground cherries. So these are a little bit smaller, and we will see what happens because these have been in the pots for so long, they're just looking terrible. But that's soil. How about that soil? Last video you saw, I topped it off with Cal and Job's, and then the other day I had my neighbor, great big shout out to Lou. I'm pretty sure he subscribed to my channel. We took totes, shoveled up my soil, used like a dolly I think it's called, and we made a couple trips over here to get my soil with worms inside tomato beds, pepper beds, some in this bed here. This is the only bed that we didn't have enough time or energy to put my soil in here, so one more trip, that should be good. And this will be all wildflowers, so I still have to rip that all out. But today's agenda is to finally get started planting all the peppers, tomatoes. I'm pretty sure I heard the weather is going to rain tomorrow. I'm super nervous about putting my babies in the ground. Hopefully they will survive the weather because I think it's supposed to rain Friday and Saturday. So you will see this video, I think, I'm not sure, maybe Wednesday. So today's not Friday. Oh, I'm so off. Today is Thursday. So yeah, I think it's supposed to rain Friday here in Pennsylvania. So you may see this because I've already have a video set up for tomorrow, which just shows you how I kind of finished off doing the raised bed. I figured I'd bring you along for the process. You just didn't see us hauling dirt because that's not exciting at all. And that was it about how I get the bed started. And now it is going to be plant time. So I will try to get this video out as fast as possible. Thank you everyone for pushing me over the 200 marker. Absolutely amazing. It's such a great community. I really appreciate it. And I am going to be doing my live this Sunday, which should be interesting. Because I am trying to do possibly a giveaway for reaching the 200, and then I'll do another giveaway when I reach 500. So there you go, guys. Quick little tour of what's going on in the raised beds. I love you. God bless. I hope you have a wonderful, fantastic day. I don't know, I may reschedule and get this video out maybe even today. I don't usually post on Thursdays, but today is Thursday. I usually do Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday, and Tuesdays Q&A. But maybe for a little special treat, I might upload this for a first time Thursday video. And yeah, why not, right? So maybe I will do just that, upload this. So keep your eye out. This Sunday, 8 o'clock Eastern, I will be doing a live and a giveaway. Maybe to 3 people. I'm not sure exactly what yet. And I will have mail to open up on Sunday. So yeah, I hope to see you all there on Sunday at 8 o'clock. And enjoy this special video that I'm going to put out today on Thursday, just to show you what I'm up against today. So it'll be a little backwards. I think Friday's video is going to be how I finished the raised bed, or it might be French fries, I'm not really sure. but you'll get the drift. And this is Thursday here in PA. Lots to do. And as a great big thank you, I want to put out special Thursday video from the raised beds. I love you all. Thank you so much. God bless you for all the help you've been giving me along the way with my channel. I've been learning, obviously growing, and I am beyond blessed. I love each and every one of you, and I really do hope, oops, I was hoping I almost dropped my camera. Let me zoom out. Sorry guys, can't find my tripod today. Yeah, so Sunday, 8 o'clock Eastern time. Enjoy this special video on Thursday of what I'm up against today. So wish me lots of luck. Leave me comments down below. And the live will be Sunday with, I think it might be this Sunday with the giveaway. Don't hold me to that 100% because I have to figure out what the giveaway is going to be. But yeah, possible giveaway on Sunday. And got mail, so I want to show you guys that. And just looking forward to seeing you all again and all the new subscribers. So this is completely a special little video to put out for all my subscribers to say a great big thank you. Welcome to the Raised Bed Gardens of 2020. And I love you guys. God bless. I hope you have a wonderful day. Wish me lots of luck with the rain coming, that I can get this all done. And I will see y'all on Sunday's live, 8 o'clock Eastern. God bless. Thank you, thank you, thank you to all the new subscribers. Means the world to me. And yeah, I will see you on the Sunday at 8 Eastern. Okay, guys, this is special Thursday little video that I wanted to put out as a thank you for all my subs and show you what I have going on today. Okay, love you all, and I will be talking to you soon. Have a great, wonderful day, and God bless you all.